This is what your Windows 11 will look by the end of this video. So if you want to give your Windows 11 a fresh modern look, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to customize the start menu, taskbar, setting apps and notification center using Windhawk. You will apply beautiful violet color palette with class effects, smooth transparency, rounded corner. The normal Windows 11 design is clean, but sometimes it can feel little simple or boring. So in this video, I'm going to give Windows 11 a completely fresh and modern look using only Windhawk. The final setup will look clean, stylish, well matched across the whole desktop. The start menu will have a modern violet design. The taskbar will look more attractive. The settings app will get a violet color palette, modern design. This process is simple and I will show you every step. So watch the video till the end and let's give Windows 11 a completely new look. So let's get started. Before I start this video, I want to tell you something. I feel little shy when I speaking in front of the camera, so I could not talk directly while recording this video. The face you see in the video is mine, but I am speaking from behind the camera as a voiceover. I hope you understand and I hope you enjoy the video. So now let's start. First of all, you have to download and install this famous tool called Windhawk. Just head over its official website and click on download. So it will download the Windhawk. After downloaded, you have to install it. So I already installed it. After installation, you'll see something like this. And first thing, we have to download this folder. I'll put the link in the description box. After downloaded, now we have to install some mods. First thing, we have to install this taskbar. So open Windhawk and click on browse for mods. And then search Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. And now open this taskbar styler and copy this entire script. Then open Windhawk and click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. So it will restart your Explorer and taskbar style. Okay, now we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. These mods give your taskbar a perfect shape. So first thing, we have to install the mods. Click on Explorer and click on search and search for taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. Then click on install. And now copy this entire script and open this Windhawk and click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, now we have to install start menu. For the start menu, click on Explorer and search for start menu. And click on details and install it. Okay, now for the start menu, open this start menu styler and copy this entire script and open Windhawk, click on advanced and delete this first and then paste it here. Then click on save. And here is the new start menu. Okay, now we have to install notification center style. Click on Explorer and search for notification. And you have to install Windows 11 notification center style. Click on details and install it. Okay, now we have to install notification center style and copy this complete script. Then open Windhawk again, click on advanced and first remove this and paste it here. Then click on save. Okay, now I'm going to change the settings. So here is my default settings, as you can see. Now I'm going to change the settings. To change the setting, click on Explorer and search for settings styler. Click on details and install it. Okay, now open this folder and you'll see this settings style script and copy this entire script. Then open Windhawk, click on advanced and first remove this and paste it here. Then click on save. And here is our new Windows 11 settings. Okay, one more thing. Now I'm going to show you that how much RAM or resources use this customization. So as you can see, Windhawk only consume around 2.7 megabytes of RAM, so it doesn't consume much RAM or other resources. So if you want to get rid of it and get back to default start menu, taskbar settings and notification center, just open your control panel, click on uninstall program, and then right click on Windhawk and click on uninstall. So it will remove rest of the stuff and it will bring back the default state. And this is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.